Hi guys, my name is Sophia. Welcome back to Playtime Me. I have a special guest, my sister.
Hi, I'm Diana. I'm 5 years old.
She's going to kinder. So we have this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful house, which is pink, purple, and white. Here's the front of the house. Let's turn it to the back. Really, really awesome. And it does have a little lock over here, just in case if you want to lock it. And let me show you the inside. Ta-da! Yay! So, Brianna, would you help me put it on the furniture?
Yes.
Awesome. So here's a big bag of furniture. So, comes with different things. Here, I'm going to pass it to my sister Brianna. She's going to put it. Here, Brianna. So let me do this one. What's this doing? Oh, the sofa. Here, Brianna. Sofa's over here. So the kitchen is over here. We're gonna get our refrigerator and. Yep, so we're going to put it there. And next, we have such a beautiful thing for the TV. Let me get up and crouch. So here is a TV. And TV. And here is a TV. Brianna, would you help me? So we're going to give Brianna this nice, beautiful, nice, so nice bed. Here, Brianna, would you put the bed over there? Perfect. Thank you. This is something not good. So next, we'll do the bathroom. Hey, Brianna, which is your favorite toy? What is your favorite part of the toy? You like the bathroom? Well, hi. Let me give you something else. Something part of the bathroom. Over here is part of the bathroom. Over here. You like the bathroom? Okay. We do. Here is a sink. A nice, beautiful sink. Very nice. And there is a mirror. So we're going to start over here. And this is a nice place where you do stuff like that. Blah, blah, blah. And let's see. Let's start over here. And we're going to put this one over here near the sink. Both of them looking forward towards you guys. Next, we're going to check this out. It's awesome. Thing like this. Something louder like this, and we're gonna put it somewhere. It comes with this nice chair. I love it. And regular. Hold on, please. Brianna, why do you like this toy? Why do you like the bathroom so much? You like to wash your hands? Great. So let's put this somewhere. And here's a cute thing. So there's a thing. Here's a dining table. Put this over here for now. Not right now. Over here. Okay. So here's the window. This nice window. And these four nice chairs that come with the dining table. Brianna, would you put these in for me? Oopsie. Put them on the way. Kind of fun. So there. They can play musical chairs. Okay. Brianna, why do you like this? Brianna, what is your favorite part of this? Here's the bathroom, Brianna. Here's the plug. Here, Brianna. Is the bathroom going here? Oopsie. So the bathroom's on my side. I accidentally put it there. So, yeah. And there's different stuff. Guess what I found? A blind bag. Shopkins. So we're going to put this over here. Brianna, what do you think it is?
Maybe it's a peach.
I don't know. Maybe you're right. I guess your thing is right. It's Peachy. From season 2, maybe. I don't know. Maybe season 2, I'm guessing. So here is how our house looks. It looks kind of fun. Silly, kind of silly. Let's put silly Peachy. I'm going to put Peachy on the dining table. Don't eat me! And we have this mirror, sofa. Hello, Mr. Mirror, sofa, and this table that doesn't come with this set, but we're just going to add it in for fun. Our thing looks kind of silly. Very silly, very, very, very silly. So we're going to put this table over there. And here's our last accessory. How does the house look, guys? Give us a thumbs up if you like our video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video. I hope see you next time on Playtime. Yay! Bye, guys.
Bye.
Have a great day. Bye.